Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Cheap Lazy Naturals and my name is Jojo, and today, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm gonna be trying out for the very first time Waveformers. So these are the Waveformers that I have, and I've actually had these for a while and I've just never had the time to actually use them, so I'm actually so excited to finally use them. Okay, so I've already washed my hair, I shampooed, I deep conditioned, and I've already added my leave-in conditioner and oil. So I'm just going to be installing these things. I don't think I'm going to be adding any product. I might add some more leave-in conditioner to my hair if I feel like I need some more moisture, or if my hair is too dry. Or actually, if my hair is too dry, I'll just spritz it with my water bottle. But other than that, I don't think I'm going to be adding any more products, just because I want my hair to dry as soon as possible. Okay, let's get started. Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm gonna start off on my back sections and work my way forward. So in total, I have about 6 packets of 12 Waveformers, and I'm gonna try to see if I can install all of them in my hair. Hopefully this isn't too little, hopefully this is just enough. Okay, I think my hair is pretty well moisturized, so I'm not gonna add anything. And then I'm gonna go in and like remove a small section. I think that's pretty small. So I've already detangled my hair in the shower, so I'm not going to be doing any major detangling, probably just some finger detangling. So here's the stick. Oh yeah, in case you're wondering, I got the longest Waveformers possible, I think. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so from what I know, you just hoop this thing through. Oh my goodness, this thing is so long. I just got the really long ones, but even though my hair is probably not this long, I do want to keep these forever or for a long while. So I wonder if this is still too big. This seems a bit big. Sorry. Okay, I don't want to do exactly half, but just about a third. I don't want to struggle to put my hair inside the hoops. Okay, so I'm gonna twist the base of my hair. Twist the base. I don't know if I said based. It sounded like I said based. And then I'm going to like hoop that through there. Apparently you should keep it up. It's always the best way. And then I'm so frightened. Is this working? Woo! That went through. That went through. Yes! Okay, next section. I thought I was gonna struggle forever to do the first one. Hopefully I installed it incorrectly. Okay, light finger detangling. My hair is still pretty damp also, so I'm not adding any water just yet. Twisting the base. I need to obviously I was about to put this in my hair without adding the actual Waveformer. Put the hair through. Okay, I'm just gonna do it the other way around because I feel a bit awkward. Don't know why. Why do I feel awkward? I wonder if I did this correctly. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna do that one again. The roots feel loose. I didn't quite grab the roots as well as I wish I did. Why do I keep on putting the stick before I even put on the Waveformer? So just gonna roll that and then add the hair. Then I'm gonna like, you see the mouth is quite narrow, so I'm gonna make it wider, push it up until I feel like it's by the roots, until I can't see the stick anymore. Then I pull the stick down and the hair goes down as I pull the stick down. Sorry, I suck at explaining. Okay, one more time guys. Okay, twist hook it up, ring this up, and then pull down the stick. Woohoo! Okay, I didn't do this correctly because it's hanging too low. So I'm gonna do this again. So all I do to like remove it is I squeeze that hole and then it comes out. Okay, let's do that again. Twist, hoop through, bring the waveformer up, and then pull down the stick. Okay, now that's secure. So I've done quite a bit off camera and it's been like it hasn't been that bad, but I've been struggling with certain sections. Can you please just come and shoot this one? I'm struggling actually. Wait. Just grab onto that. Okay. Slowly. Okay. Go. Wow. Exhibit A. It's been a struggle for certain sections, but not all. Sometimes my hair gets trapped in here, or this is getting slippery because my hands have a bunch of products, so it kind of gets hard to pull it down. Anyway, let's just get back to this. I've only been adding like water and a bit of leave-in conditioner to some of the sections that are getting dry now. So my ends feel a little bit dry here, so I'm just adding some extra moisture. Okay, so let's zoom in. So still twisting the root and then grabbing this section here. I mean, hooping it through the hoop, as you can see. And then I'm pushing the mouth in. And now I'm gonna pull the stick. I'm struggling because it's like slipping away. Baby, please just give me a hand. Okay, wait. Pull. Something's wrong. Okay, something felt wrong, but okay, all of my hair went through, I guess. Okay, nice and tight at the roots. Okay, what's going on? Yeah, so sometimes things like that happen, but it hasn't been too frequent. Okay, let me just see if I can do this one by myself. Wait. Let me just keep on trying, because sometimes it feels like it's not going to go through, but it will.
Don't swap me and do it like that, bro. I'm not even mad about that decision. Smoke came with
So I'm finally on the last one, and I've used all of the waveformers. I've literally got one waveformer left, and the section is slightly bigger than I wanted it to be. I've been trying to make the front sections a bit bigger, but it's just harder trying to fit more hair inside the waveformer. I basically used my boyfriend's help the whole entire time just to do this side because I just couldn't. There's something about the left side that just made it very awkward for me to be able to like pull the waveformer. So he was literally helping me, and in these last few ones he's also been helping me because my fingers have just been getting sore as well. Okay, so twisting it up and hooping. I can't see anything. Okay, to me please. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not moving anything. Ah! What? Yeah, I am done. So sore. Oh. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but it's the next morning, and yes, I slept in these. Was it comfortable? No, I didn't sleep for too long anyway, so I mean, I'm used to sacrificing my health for my hair every now and then. I just tied my hair like this for now so that I could like wash my face. Okay, I didn't even sit under the hooded dryer. I think my hair should be dry just because yesterday when I undid like the one small section at the front before I went to bed and it was already dry, so I'm assuming everything dried. And as I mentioned, sorry, what's happening there? Let's just give in a little zoom action. Oh, it's so soft. Okay, so this section is dry, so hopefully that means everything else is dry. Okay, so these are the results. Look at the shine. Just need to separate my hair a little bit. Okay guys, just went and zhuzhed my hair up a little bit. Moment of silence for this hair though. I am really happy with my hair. It's so soft. And just look at. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked the results. Comment down below, what do you think? Will you be trying this out? I will be linking down below where you can get the waveformers. I got mine from eBay, I think, but you can also get them from AliExpress, Amazon. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I guess we'll see you on our next video. Bye.